brother. Round 2. Good morning, guys. I'm John Emerson Gito, and this is my teammate, Rasha, Indonesia. He's 18 years old. 16, brother, 16. A very young teammate, a very young rider. Me, very young. 30. Ayun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Malaysia. Start na ulit tayo ng karera. Itong round 2. So, simulan na ang practice 1.
Jangan lupa doain Rasya ya semuanya. Sabi niya, ang pogi-pogi mo, ang pogi-pogi mo.
Yeah, qualifying day. Today, JA, Rasya, Masato all join in the qualifying one. Not long time ago, we will qualify. Let's go.
We all hope we can go to the podium this time. Okay? So just focus on qualifying first. And then we move session by session. Sinasabi natin meron tayong language barrier minsan. Ito na yung mga mekaniko at saka yung mga riders natin nakakapag-usap sila through sign language at ay sa hand gesture at saka tunog ng motor. Kasi si Ergus din is bago siya naging part ng team. Dati rin siyang karerista. Dati rin siya nagmamanage ng isang malaking team sa Indonesia na tumalaban sa international. Nasa development din kasi kami ng mga helmets namin through the help of Evo Helmets Philippines, no? Pero ngayon, para at least lumabas din ng konting identity ng mga rider, sila mismo nag-recommend na maglagay ng mga decals sa kanilang mga race helmets.
Ya yang pasti saya akan mencari momen terbaik.
Gaspol! Oke, kalau gitu sekarang.
Sabi ko, yun na, putang ina, wala lulusutan, shit, wala lulusutan. Tapos, hindi ko mo makapag-shoot ko, munti ka naman ako si Memblang.
Bubar, tarik.
Dari luar rasanya nggak bisa apa-apa, masih ada besok kami keren tadi udah.
At kapukangan nila, tsaka pumasok, munti ka naman ako. Hindi ka agad ako agas. Kasi, pag sinunduto ka pa ng isang downshift, tutuloy na.
Sayang, pero okay.
Yun o, lakas talaga na ito.
Gabay.
But good.
Ini salah nih, dia malah masuk ke dalam ngikut. Kalau dia ngikut keluar, makin ditambah orang jatuh lagi. Aduh, mau tahu keras jadi.
Let's go!
Good feeling buat saya, bagus, sangat bagus, dan cuman belum beruntung aja. Tadi sempat memimpin dan terus juga sempat di rombongan depan dan akhirnya di last lap dan di last turn dan saya mengalami insiden dan saya menghindar, akhirnya saya melewati rumput. Race finish, ya sayang. But everything is good lah. Raider look he fight JE Russia, all Raider is all out ya. Tomorrow we still confidence because we can see today the bike, the rider, the team, everything is
good luck we need.
Yeah.
Deliver tayo sa mga para-papabampam natin mga basher. Punta tayo ngayon sa Sepang International para sa race natin guys. Oh shit, tulog ko sa Russia.
Russia.
Paano tayo aalis niyan? Let's go. Welcome to Chang pala. Sepang tan. Good morning my friend, good morning.
Podium champion.
Bismillah.
Asya. You say good morning. Say good morning.
Dami mo kung sinasabi, bakit di ko pa sumama? Ikaw ang paborito kong sumisigaw sa aking kama. Pwede bang dahan-dahan lang, huwag kang kabahan, ako nang bahala. Tama pa ba o mali na to? Kus gusto kong makasala. Spaghetti bababa, pwede bang lumuhod ka sa'kin? Halik mo sa aking labi, gusto ko nang matikman. Yeah.
6 laps of the circuit. Race 4 of the ARRC Underbone 150 is a go. The latter stages in yesterday's race. He's got himself right up at the top with April King Moscato. Right behind him, bike 16. Is that Charles Chasras or is that just a completely different line? Just a completely different line from
Charles Chasras, one way or another, everywhere when he's on the racetrack. He does bring a lot of entertainment value.
The black livery of John Emerson and Quito very, very much involved in this battle. Aziz and Najul Izzat regularly behind them. With Fajrul Sham in there and Jafauzi, Shamal Abshar. Sanjay's got himself up into P14. Knows where the podium is.
Certainly does. Dichu was a real revelation last year.
This is Hafiz Farrell Rossiadi for the 4S1M Evo Yamaha racing team, having his moment in the spotlight.
And Husney, now they only have one rider in this race, but they're going to keep that clean sheet.
3 out of 4. That's what Husney Zainal is trying to do. He's the man in P2 at the moment. 43 front here. Still Hafiz Farrell leads the way. Bike 96. Nazrul Izzat. Arwin suddenly into the reckoning. I tell you what, the pit's bike at 198. Look at that, they're on the grass. 3 or 4 of them are on the grass. How do they take this? Husney Zainal makes a move. Contact takes down 3. Fernando goes down as well. And Husney Zainal is going to cut through the carnage and make it 3 wins out of 4 ahead of Aditya Fauzi.
Nakababad ka ako sa unahan lang ako, top 3, top 4, top 1. Pero siyempre, di natin expect lahat nakapos, ang baga. Alam na natin lahat na malakas yung motor na natin eh. Alangan nila sa bogi, pero kahit ko namatay yung panel kasi may panel. May shutdown yung panel. Yung battery ko, kumalasin sa akin. But it's okay. Hindi talaga para sa atin pa to. Mali mo, ulitin na nasa taas yung Japan natin.
Next
sa Japan tayo talaga para sa atin Japan. Mali natin, di ba?
Isa sa favorite mo.
Walang makapagsabi na kung anong pwede mangyari talaga.
Motegi.
Let's go Motegi. Let's focus, let's look forward for the next round.
Finish round 2. But all is good. But just little bit malak. Malas. Not unlucky. Japan gaspol. More confidence. Good. Apa ya? Motivation.
Motivation.
Yes.
Masaya dahil maganda na yung nagiging resulta ng mga pinaghihirapan namin. Ngayon, nakita na ng mga ibang teams, ibang riders yung kayang gawin ng mga motor natin sa mga riders natin. So, hopefully, pagdating natin sa Motegi sa next month, last fall,